What up, everybody? It's your boy Panda SA, and in today's video, as you can see, that I'm recording this video using my cell phone. The reason being why, as for my PC, I don't know. I tried making this video using my PC, but the video came out to be blurry. I'm still trying to fix that matter, but yeah, I decided to record this video on my cell phone, just to show people how I personally analyze the market. And this is not a financial advice video type of video. Like, yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a trader, and in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I personally analyze the market. And as you can see, we are on NZD USD on a daily time frame, and I'm going to be showing you how I analyze currency pair, but I'm going to only be using one single currency pair. And again, I'll be analyzing gold. So let's get started. As you can see, we have NZD moving sideways because like it's consolidating. This is consolidation, straight up consolidation. But what I'm going to clarify that I don't like literally enjoy or like trading currency pairs. I enjoy trading gold, but for people who into currency pairs, this is how I personally analyze currency pairs. I just start by looking for my um, market low, for the market low and market high. So let me mark out my market low, my lowest low, which is this one over here. As we can see, the market tapped this level 3 times. Okay, so, and if the market goes there again, I'll be hoping and wishing that it breaks that level, because like it has been a while since it was tapping that low. And I'll be marking my support, which is where the market it is right now. It is running at, it is at this particular support over here, and we also have this particular resistance over here at the top. As we also can see at this particular resistance over here, the market has been like tapping this level for quite some time. But right now, as you can see, the market is like the market is retesting this particular level 0.58. The market is retesting and tapping on that level. But what we might be looking for is for the market to push straight up. And the reason why I'm saying that is because we are on a support level, and again, we have broke the trend line, the 1 hour trend line. I'm going to be moving to an hour trend line in no time. This is one of the reasons why I hate analyzing the market on a cell phone. Man, it's like, I don't know. But yeah, this is the reason why I'm saying we're pushing up, is because we have broken the 1 hour trend line. Let me go to an hour trend line, an hour time frame. This is what I mean by that. The market has been like moving downwards. It has been on an downtrend for quite some time. So right now, it's preparing to push up. It has broke above the trend line. So what we are looking for right now is for the market to push straight up. But as we all know, that the market doesn't just move straight up. The market always breaks and retest, breaks and retest. As for in this case, the market has broke this particular level over here, and it did come back to retest that particular level, meaning we are clear to move straight up. But we have to be careful, since the market can move, like it can consolidate if it wants to. So we have to be careful when trading the financial market. So what we are going to be marking out again is this particular level over here. I'm not going to be showing people how I make confirmation. The reason being why, not because I don't want to share my strategy, just that I don't want people to like end up, sorry for the adverts, I don't want people to end up being like taking my own strategy and using it, and after losing money they are going to be blaming me. But if ever you are someone who wants to see or know how I personally confirm my own analysis or my trades, how I take my trades, you can ask me on my comment section down below. And I'll also be dropping a link to my TikTok account, since I always tend to be live and trade live on TikTok. So if you want to trade with me, you can find my my TikTok account down below. So as you can see right now, the market has, like, it did break above this particular high level over here, but again it broke down below. So at this point, I personally, I won't be trading at this level. What I will be waiting for for the market to break above, comes back to retest, and then push straight up. That's what I personally will be waiting for. Because, like, remember, in Forex, you can analyze and find your entry point, your nuts, whatever, but you have to wait for a clear confirmation. That's how I personally trade. At this point, I'll be waiting for the market to break above that particular resistance, this particular resistance over here. And if it breaks and reaches, I'll be targeting this particular high over here. That's what I'll be looking for, or looking to go for. That's where my TP will be at. And if the market breaks that particular high, I'll again be looking for this particular high over here. That's how I trade. Like, that's how simple you have to analyze your charts. That's how simple it is. That's how simple you have to make it be, you know. Yeah, trading is like hard, but you have to, like, try to make it somehow simple for yourself, because, like, if not you, then who will? Like, I just want to keep this video as short and as straightforward as I possibly can. This is how I analyze each and every currency pair that I trade. This is how I analyze my currency pairs, and this is what I'll be looking for on NZD USD. And if ever you have questions, you can ask down below in the description, down below. I mean, in the comment section, you can ask. So now let's move to gold. As for gold, I tend to trade it or analyze it differently from the way I analyze my currency pairs. Let me remove all of these drawings. And the reason why I how can I put it? The reason why I trade them differently is because, as for gold, I don't like holding trades whenever it comes to gold. Like, literally, let me just delete this view. I won't like remove every single thing. As for gold, like, literally, I don't like to, like, literally hold trades for a longer period of time. No. Which is why, and I don't use a daily time frame whenever I trade or analyze gold. I just use my 1 hour time frame, and from my 1 hour time frame I move to my 5 minutes time frame to confirm my trade, and then take a trade, and I'm done. That's how I personally trade. I hope I'm making myself clear right here. And as for this trade, as for this analysis of mine on gold, as you can see, gold is overall bullish. Like, it has been bullish, I don't know since when, but it has been a while. So right here, this is what they like, what I be looking at for this coming week, or this is how I personally analyze gold. I always look for my, like, it's similar to how I analyze currency pairs. The only difference is that I don't use a daily time frame. I only use 1 hour time frame to analyze. As you can see, at this particular level over here, we have our support, and at this particular level over here, we have our resistance, which is where the market is at right now. And here again, we have our particular resistance again. What I personally am looking for, I'm looking for the market to either come back here to retest, and I'll be looking for a confirmation to go straight up to this particular resistance. And if it breaks above, I'll wait for a retest, take a trade again, and go straight up. I don't know if people understand what I'm saying. Like, in this video, I'm just showing how I analyze the market. I'm not going to be showing how to, I don't know, I won't be like teaching people how to trade like from scratch. Like, if you want that type of video, you can comment down below. I will make that type of video, even though it's going to be a longer video. But for this one, I'm just showing people how I personally analyze the market. And I hope I made it clear. I hope I made it like somehow simple. Gold has always, like, it has been bullish for quite some time right now. And the reason why I'm saying that gold might also be pushing straight up, but as for the next week I'll be hoping to buy maybe Monday or Tuesday, is because gold has to come back down here to retest this particular support over here, and then push straight up, come back down here to retest this particular resistance, which will be a support by then, and then go straight up. This is what I'm looking for, because the market has broken this particular trend line over here, and it hasn't like retested that particular trend line. Remember, whenever a market breaks a trend line, it always has to come back, retest that particular trend line, and then it can continue with its movement. Understood? So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for the market to come down here below. That doesn't mean I won't be taking trades on that move. I'll be looking for trades, yes, on my 5 minutes time frame. I'll be looking for some type of movement that will allow me to sell to this particular point over here. I'll maybe take a sell right here, take my profits here, and wait for a buy, take that buy, take my profits over here, wait for a break of this particular resistance, retest, and take a buy again. That's how I personally trade. Simple. And I know some people are going to say that like I'm making it seem as if it's simple. It is simple if you want to like make it simple. You don't have to overcomplicate things in Forex. Always try to keep things simple. Remember, in this industry, it's only you and you. And the other thing that I'm going to tell you is that people must stop this thing of like doubting their strategy. This is not a strategy. This is how I analyze. There's a difference between analyzing and, I don't know, confirming your analysis or something like that, or taking like this is. I do have my own strategy, but this is how I analyze my charts, and then that's when after my strategy gets to work, when I execute my trade. I don't know if I'm clear. So yeah, this is how I analyze the market and do everything on the market. This is how I analyze gold, and I showed you how I analyze currency pair. That only currency pair, like I showed you everything, how I analyze each and every currency pair that I trade. You see, so and I personally do enjoy trading gold more than currency pairs. The reason being why is because on gold I day trade mostly. I day trade, I scalp, and as for currency pairs, I like to hold trades. Like I like to swing trade. You see, so gold, like I just take my money and I'm done for the day. Unlike currency pairs whereby I have to wait for days, which is why I don't have a problem with waiting, but I just like to make my money and be done with the market. But if you are someone who's like you're a beginner, I would like recommend trading currency pairs. They are less volatile, they are easier to analyze. As you saw how I analyzed that NZD USD. It's simple. You just like analyze and wait. Analyze and wait. And for you to be able to wait, you can like use alerts. And again, I'll link down my TikTok account down below, because that's where I mostly go live and trade live. So please support the channel. Let's grow together. Like, subscribe, and share with friends. And we'll see each other again on another particular video.